Hello everyone, welcome to SRBPS online classes. Hello students, today we are going to start with evaluation of exponential limit. But before starting, we should be aware of some expansions. Like a raised to the power x is equal to 1 plus x log a to the base e plus x square by 2 factorial log a to the base e whole square and so on. With the help of this expansion, we will be able to evaluate the standard limit, standard exponential limit. Now let's see over here how we will evaluate it. Yes, see students, here we have to evaluate limit x tends to 0, a raised to the power x minus 1 upon x. Now the question arises, how we'll evaluate it? See, limit at the place, limit x tends to 0, a raised to the power x minus 1 upon x. This is the given expression to us. Now we have to evaluate the limit over here. Limit x tends to 0, a raised to the power x. At the place of a raised to the power x, can I put this expansion? Yes, exactly. I can put it. So what I will get? I will get limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x log a to the base e plus x square by 2 factorial log a to the base e whole square plus and dash dash dash. And minus 1 also was there, no? So it will be minus 1 at the last. And denominator it is x. So we will write this x only. Now see here. This 1 and minus 1 get cancelled out. Now what we can take common out of it? What we can take common, students? We can take common from here x. So when I am taking common x, then what will be left over here? There will be limit x tends to 0. When x is common, what is left inside? Log a to the base e plus x by 2 factorial log a to the base e whole square and so on. And whole ke divide mein what is there? There is x. So it will get cancelled out. Now see here, this is only left limit x tends to 0 log a to the base e plus x by 2 factorial log a to the base e whole square and so on. Now see here the denominator is 1. It means this is not an indeterminate form. So when we will put directly the value over here, this will become 0 and simultaneously all the terms which are coming after this all will also become 0. Only what will left? Only one term will left, which is this, that is log a to the base e. So this will be your standard limit, standard exponential limit. That means limit x tends to 0, a raised to the power x minus 1 upon x will be equal to log a to the base e. I hope this will be clear to you people. Yes students, now see. We have derived it that limit x tends to 0, a raised to the power x minus 1 upon x is equals to log a to the base e. In the exactly same manner, limit x tends to 0, e raised to the power x minus 1 upon x will be equal to log e base to the base e, and that is equal to 1 as we know, because logarithmic and exponential, logarithmic and e both are the inverse functions of each other. So what we can say? We can say when we will solve it, what we will get? We will get 1. Now see students, we are going to do some questions based on the exponential limit. What is our first question? Limit x tends to 0, a raised to the power x minus b raised to the power x upon x. Now see here, if I will add 1 and subtract 1, will there be any effect? No, not at all. कोई effect नहीं होगा. But what will happen? Our purpose will be solved. So see how. Limit x tends to 0, a raised to the power x minus 1, and now I can take common minus from here. Now what will be left inside after taking minus common? There will be b raised to the power x minus 1 upon x. See, what I have done, I have added 1 and subtracted 1. इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा. But what is done कि our purpose is solved. How? I have taken a raised to the power x and minus 1 together, and from these two terms I have taken negative common. Now what is left inside? B raised to the power x minus 1. Okay? And in denominator there is x. Now see students, can I write it? Limit x tends to 0, a raised to the power x minus 1 upon x minus limit x tends to 0, b raised to the power x minus 1 upon x. Can I write it? Yes, I can write it. Now, what will happen if I am using directly this thing over here? अगर मैं यहाँ पर ये standard exponential limit use करूंगी, what I will get? I will get log a to the base e minus in the exactly same manner. If I will use the standard limit over here, what I will get? Log b to the base e. So finally what I am going to get over here? I am going to get over here ln a minus ln b. So I hope this question will be clear to all. Now see students, what is this question number 2? Here also we people are required to evaluate the limit. But first of all, before evaluating the limit, we will make it simpler. So to make it simpler, what I am going to do, I am going to do rationalization over here. And if I will rationalize from which expression I will multiply and divide it, I will multiply and divide it by under the root 1 plus x plus 1 and whole के divide में under the root 1 plus x plus 1. What I have done? I have used rationalization over here. ठीक है? Afterwards, limit x tends to 0, 2 raised to the power x minus 1 within the bracket under the root 1 plus x plus 1. In denominator students, there is an identity forming. A minus b into a plus b. And we know a minus b into a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. So what can I write over here? Under the root 1 plus x whole square minus 1 square. Afterwards, limit x tends to 0, 2 raised to the power x minus 1 into under the root 1 plus x plus 1. What will left in denominator? From here you will get the square and square root will get cancelled out. What will left? 1 plus x. 1 plus x minus 1, you will get only x from here. So you have got only x. Now see here, if I will use this standard exponential limit, this whole expression is going to become what? This is going to become log a to the base e. It means अगर हम इसको यूज कर रहे हैं तो ये तो यही रिजल्ट देता है. तो अब हमें यहाँ से क्या मिलने वाला है स्टूडेंट्स? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी हियर, कैन आई राइट इट? Limit x tends to 0, 2 raised to the power x minus 1 upon x into limit x tends to 0 under the root 1 plus x plus 1. Yes, exactly. I can write it. Now what I will get from here? If I am following the standard limit, I will get from here log to the base e. So exactly it means I am going to get from here log 2. Log 2 into, अब see here, now the denominator is 1. So can we directly substitute the value? Yes, exactly, we can substitute the value. So what we will get from here students? We are going to get from here, हमें यहाँ से क्या मिला था? We have got from here log 2 into, when we will put directly the value, what we will get? Under the root 1 plus 0 plus 1. That is under the root 1 plus 1. That is 2. So it means our answer will be equal to 2 log 2.